Hey guys, this is the choreography for the trio part for applause. We're going to start with our riffs. We would be starting facing the audience, but I'm going to show you to the side just so that we can review our riffs. We start out with a 5-tap riff. It's toe, scuff, heel drop, and then dig, toe. So 5 sounds. Toe, scuff, heel, dig, toe. We're going to do 2 of those. We're going to go to the right and the left. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Our next one is going to be called a 9-count riff. So instead of doing 5 sounds, we're going to do 9. And we're going to start off like we do with our 5-count. Toe, scuff, heel, heel, toe. Our weight's on our right foot. We're going to take our left foot. We're going to do our heel drop. Then a right heel drop, then a left toe drop, then a right toe drop. So heel, heel, toe, toe. That's all we're adding on. So again, we do toe, scuff, heel, dig, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. All right, so let's do that right and left. We'll do 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, left side, right side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah? Now, we're going to make it fancy, so instead of doing just this, we're going to do what's called a crawl with it. So we go toe, heel, we're going to the right with our right foot, so we're going to go to the right 2. Heel drop, toe drop, toe drop. So we're going to move to our right side when we do that. So again, it's toe, heel, 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 toe, toe. Just like that. So again, let's do it super slow, but this time on our left. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, still 9 counts. We're just going the opposite direction now with our crawl. So let's do it one more time on our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to do 2 5-count riffs, right and left, then our 9-count riff on our right, then we're going to reverse it. So 2 5-count riffs, left then right, then we're going to do to the left with our 9-count riff. So here, I'm going to turn around, and you go same foot as me. So this is our right foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, reverse. Yeah, super easy. So the next part is going to be a grapevine, but we're not going to do a regular grapevine because that's boring. We're going to do a fancy grapevine. So instead of doing, we're going to add in some extra sounds. So we're going to start with a dig, toe drop, and then we're going to reverse it. Toe, heel drop, then we're going to repeat it. Heel, toe, and we're going to dig and clap. And then we reverse it. Dig, toe, toe, dig, toe, dig, clap. We do 2 of those, right and left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's just to move us this side, then this side. Last thing we do is we do a turn, but we're going to add some extra sound to make it fancy, just like we've done with all our other steps. We're going to step heel. This is going down the stage, so towards the audience. We step heel again, and then we're going to do one more step heel, like a 3-step turn. Yeah, it's like a 3-step turn, but we're doing step heels instead of just 3 steps. So again, we go 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna step on our left because then we get to the part where we go, yeah. So let's do the whole thing now. We start with our riffs, then our grapevine, then we do our turn and our step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe step, heel, big toe. Toe step, heel, big toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Toe step, heel, toe step, heel, toe step, heel, 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 toe, toe. Heel, toe, step, heel, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. 3, step, turn, step. And we're ready for our shuffle ball change, shuffle hop step. Yeah, let's do it one more time. Let's do a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, even faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.